Okay, so now you have your friendship status with your teacher. Your teacher will then send you an invite to your class group. The invite for your class group will appear in notifications. So from here it will say your teacher's name has sent you an invite to the group name. So you can then click the sentence. Do not click read, delete, it's not important. Click the actual sentence. This isn't a group invite, but I'll just show you what happens. And you'll have a button here that will say accept or reject. So it won't look anything like this, but it will say accept or reject. Select accept and you will then be in your class group. Once you've done this, we can then go to your name in the top corner and we can select groups. So every group that you're in, if you happen to be in more than one class, every group that you're in, every class that you're in will appear. Now all the groups have the same functionality, so I'm just going to select this one for example. Once we're in the group, the teacher will upload your homework to the Drive section. So go ahead and select Drive. So here we have all the homework for this class. To get the homework, all you have to do is select the file and then download it to your device in a location of your choosing. It could be in documents, it could be in desktop, wherever. And then simply click save. So once you've downloaded it to your device, you can then open it and you can do the homework. So once you finish the homework, you're going to then need to upload it to the same place, back to Drive. So to upload your homework, all you need to do is simply click select file, add new file, then select your file and find your homework on your device and click open. Now it's a good idea to name your homework with your name. So for example, name the file Scott Newton homework 270520, the date 27 of May 2020. That way your teacher will know it's your homework because your other classmates will be uploading homework as well. So your teacher will know whose it is and when it was uploaded. And then we also have the forum. Now the forum works exactly like a message board. So your teacher may decide to put a little notice to say they've uploaded your homework. And also what we can do here, if your teacher tells you to check the forum, we can put here sort of resources, online resources, maybe websites that have good test exams, practice exams and things like that. So they may decide to put it in here. So for example, link just put this website for now as an example and submit. So when you want to reply, this is how you would do it. Click the link you want to reply to, type your message and click submit.